Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well at your homes. Today we are going to read the reader Kipper's Diary. Let's talk about the characters of the story. This is the boy Kipper and its dog Floppy. Here's the mom and dad of Kipper. And this is the family of Kipper, his sister Biff and his brother Chip. Kipper's Diary. This is the title page of the story. Kipper is writing a diary. Let's open it and read it. This is our first page. Look at the picture and tell me who is there.
Kipper and his dog.
Do you remember the name of the dog?
Yes, Floppy.
Okay, where are they standing?
They are out in the garden.
Very good. And how was the day?
It was a rainy day.
Okay, what happened to Kipper and Floppy?
They became wet.
Very nice. Now let's read the page. Monday. It was a rainy day. Now let's move to the next page. What do you see in this picture?
Kipper and Mom.
Yes, and you can also see that leaves are flying in the air. What is Kipper holding in his hand?
A teddy bear.
What Kipper and Mom are doing in this picture?
They are going somewhere.
Yes, they are going to the pet shop. Which animal do you see at this pet shop?
Bird, fish, dog, rabbit.
Okay, have you ever been to a pet shop?
Yes, I went with Baba.
What did you buy from there?
I bought some parrots.
Very nice. Let's read the page. Tuesday. It was a windy day. I went to the pet shop. Now turn the page. What do you think? How was the day?
I think it was a sunny day because the sun is so bright.
Yes, you are right. That's why they went to the pool. How many people were there in the pool?
3.
What Kipper was going to do?
He was going to swim.
Right. And you see, one more person is going to jump in the pool. Okay, let's read the page. Wednesday. It was a sunny day. I went to the swimming pool. Turn the next page. Now tell me, which place is this?
It is a park.
Who is with Kipper?
His dad.
Yes, and what children are doing in the park?
They are playing.
Yes, they are playing, taking slides, having swings, and Floppy is running around them. How many dogs are there?
There are 2 dogs.
How many kids are there?
There are 5 kids.
Good. Let's read the page. Thursday. It was a hot day. I went to the park. Move to the next page. What Kipper is doing in this picture?
He is driving a car.
What do you think? Kipper is enjoying or not?
Yes, he is excited.
Do you see any animal there?
Yes, there is a dog.
How many balloons are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons.
Tell me the colors.
Pink, yellow, blue, red.
Right. But do you know which event is this? Or which place is this?
I don't know.
Okay, let me tell you. It is a fun fair. And fun fair is a place where people get together to have fun and entertainment. They play games also and win the prizes. Did have rides over there. They enjoyed food also. Now read the page with me. Friday. It was a fun day. I went to the fun fair. So that was the Kipper's diary. Now I am going to ask you some questions. Please try to answer. How was the day?
It was a wet day.
What day was it?
It was Monday.
What day was it?
It was Tuesday.
How was the day?
It was windy day.
What day was it?
It was Wednesday.
Where did they go?
They went to the pool.
What day was it?
It was Thursday.
Where did they go?
They went to the park.
What day was it?
Friday.
How was the day?
It was a fun day.
Now read the vocabulary words.
Monday was wet. Tuesday
Windy,
windy. Bad day. Went shop. Wednesday pool. Thursday park. Fun. Friday.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.